Alright, so like, not allowed to drive trains anymore. Who would have guessed? So,
Yeah.
gonna try something different this time
Yeah.
and not get fired.
If we got fired, but like this time we can't fail.
Yeah, this time we can't fail.
Alright, go to Greater Rockford, uh, and go to the Baltic
Baltic.
Airfield.
So, Greater
But,
Rockford and Baltic Airfield.
yeah,
Yeah.
go there.
Go. It's taking me a bit. Uh-oh.
Go. Good. Uh,
Uh-oh.
I'm taller than you for once. Okay.
Uh, okay. Let me just get rid of the leaderboard. Okay.
Meow,
And
meow, meow.
let things load in. Oh no, it's like Chernobyl. If I look somewhere with a lot of stuff, I start dying.
Then turn the graphics down.
No, I mustn't. I'm too lazy.
Okay, are you able to move?
Yeah. Can't promise I'll see anything though. Uh-oh.
Alright. I'm gonna spawn a plane. Let's see what we get.
Uh, ah, no. I want big boy planes. I want big boy planes.
Big boy planes.
Yeah, but we don't have big boy planes. So I'll just get the biggest
Uh,
big boy plane I can see. Okay, I can't see the liveries, so
let's try this one.
that's cool.
Hey, I was gonna make a plane.
Oh. Don't worry. I'm really good at flying when I can see.
My plane's better. You should go in my plane.
But my plane is like so much cooler. Watch this.
Fine. Let's go.
Uh,
Co-pilot. Co-pilot.
uh-oh, I don't
Uh-oh.
think I don't think something's going wrong. Okay, okay.
Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Look,
We're going downhill.
I accidentally turned the engine off.
We need to go up.
I'm trying.
Yeah, there we go. We're doing it.
Okay, see. Um all right. Haven't played this game in a hot minute. How do I do things?
You should give me. You should let me use the controls.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh
uh,
oh. You're lagging.
uh So, anyways, as I said, how fly?
Uh, you click a little button. I don't know.
Oh, don't worry, we're moving a little bit, little by little.
Little by little.
Yeah.
Why are we going backwards?
I knew I needed a new computer, but I didn't know I really needed a new one. Like I've played this game before, but I accidentally clicked normal. So, and things are
Oh yeah,
still,
you should have clicked low.
yeah, and things are like still loading in. That's another airplane. Is
Turn
that
the
right?
graphics down. It's not that hard.
No, you don't understand. I'm worse off if I press escape. My Roblox will crash. So like
So we're barely getting past the mountain.
um don't worry about it. We'll land at a new airport and I'll get a better plane.
How about I get a plane?
Uh, watch this. I tell you I'm a good flyer.
Yeah, let's land on the road.
No, I've got a better idea.
Are we gonna land on Queen Elizabeth's boat?
It's actually shit, but no. Uh-oh. Things aren't looking too good.
What do you mean?
We're going down. and I can't do anything.
Yo, help! Yeah,
Yo,
I'm in the cockpit now. I can fly the plane. That's nice. Hey, we're not really moving.
yeah. Maybe we should like no. Okay. So
Hey, I don't hear the engine anymore.
what? Oh.
Oh,
Oh wait, I forgot about the throttle.
oh, yeah, let's turn that bad boy on.
Yeah. All right. I'm running a little better. I'm gonna do a flyby over here.
Yo, you should totally click U on your keyboard.
Why?
Quit.
You?
Thank you. I don't think it's working.
Why do I need to press you?
Hey,
Oh. Does co-pilot controls like take away my ability to fly or like this?
hold on, maybe we gotta turn on those. Hey, we're going straight into Queen Elizabeth's boat ship. We're gonna die.
Nuh-uh. Check this out. I'm a good pilot, I swear.
To the right, to the right, to the right. We're cooked. Oh, wait, we missed.
Doing a flyby.
A flyby?
Yeah. You know, I'd be a better pilot if my computer actually worked.
Maybe we'll use my computer.
Please don't make me press any buttons.
Elijah,
What?
it gave me full control.
Yeah, like go up.
Touch in the water. Elijah,
Yeah, I'm seeing this, and I'm not liking it.
don't worry. Don't worry. We're okay. We won't die. We're just stranded on a plane. That's,
Oh,
it's sinking.
that sounds bad.
Yeah.
Well, I was a little dehydrated anyways.
Yeah, bro.
Also, as long as I stay lagged.
Yo!
Yeah, I was a little thirsty anyways.